What is up everybody, I'm Seshil and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings, Christmas edition. So Christmas is almost here and also this is a strawberry season. So I have brought you an amazing strawberry recipe to you all. And this is also best for Christmas treats. So today we're going to be making this strawberry bun cake with strawberry compote. It's absolutely delicious guys. So if you haven't bought strawberries yet, please go and get strawberries right now. This is the strawberry season where you can get fresh strawberries. Also we will be making homemade strawberry compote with fresh strawberries guys, so please make sure you're watching this video till the end. Now without a further ado, let's get started. First we will start making our strawberry compote. I have already shared this video on Insta Reels, but I will do it in YouTube as well. First we need to pluck off these leaves and then we have to wash them clean and chop them into very small pieces, tiny pieces. So here I have a steel pot. To that I'll be adding the strawberries, the chopped strawberries. To that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I will add 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour and again 1/8 cup of water. Just give that a stir and we'll take it to the stove and we will cook our strawberry compote. Now let it thicken and I'm gonna add a bit of lemon juice. Now it's done. Now let it cool for some time before serving it in container. Here I have a small container. To that I'll pour my strawberry compote onto it. And then I'm gonna place this in refrigerator whole night. Now we will make a bun cake. To that I'm gonna add half a cup of unsalted butter. To that 1 tablespoon of canola oil or vegetable oil and give that a whisk. To that I'll be adding 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence and mix that really well. Here I'm having half a cup of caster sugar and whisk that really well till it turns smooth and creamy. Here you need to add 3 tablespoons of the strawberry compote which we have made and whisk that really well. It will curdle up. It seems that it got wasted, but don't worry, it's not. This is how it will work. I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon of milk onto that and whisk it. Here I have 1.5 cup of flour or maida. To that a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now sieve all the dry ingredients which we have added and again whisk that really well. Here I have added a tablespoon of milk. Onto that I'm gonna give a splash of lemon. The exact measurement would be teaspoon and whisk that well and change it to silicone spatula and scrape out the sides. Here I have a cup and I'm also having a piping bag and just place it above the cup and we will pour our batter into the piping bag. Now just squeeze it with your hand till the tip and keep it aside. Don't cut it now. Here I am using the silicone bun cake mold. Apply the butter onto the mold so that the cake will not stick when we're taking it off. Now I will cut the tip of the piping bag and I'm gonna pipe it into our mold. You can just place them with some spoon, but I'm using the piping bag method just for a perfect finish. Now give that a nice tap so that it evens out so that we will get a smooth surface. Now bake them at 180 degrees for 18 minutes. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And now we will make our strawberry glaze. Here I have 1.5 cup of icing sugar or powdered sugar. To that 1 teaspoon of strawberry compote and half a teaspoon of lemon juice and mix that really well and a teaspoon of milk. You'll be needing 3 teaspoons. But add it gradually. And mix that until you get a smooth glaze. And now it's the third teaspoon. Look how smooth it has turned out. Now that my bundt cakes are ready, we will flip it out and let them sit for some time before we topping it off with glaze. Look how smooth that it is, and the design is just impeccable. Now that our mini cakes are cooled down, we will start designing them. We just have to take the prepared glaze and just drip it on top of our cake. Look how so satisfying it is. Likewise, you do that to all the mini cakes. Here I'm just showing you just 3 of them. Voila, it's done. Enjoy!
So now let's just taste it. This is extremely delicious, guys. So beautiful it is. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Also, I hope you guys really like the setup behind, because it did took a lot of time for me to put this up. So if you enjoy watching this video, please make sure you're giving this video a like. Also share it with your friends, and please do comment below because your opinion really matters to me. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also guys, this is not just my Christmas video yet. There will be more. So stay tuned so that you could watch all my videos. Till then, ciao!